Next recording, Unit 1, numbers 1 through 5 for MBT1, recognize concepts of place, value, and division. Today is March 17th, Tuesday, about 1 p.m. And I like how students are posting their comments and that they're taking the videos. However, remember, it's essential that you are still doing Imagine Math, the online program. Just use your computer, go in the Google Classroom. We've done it all year, so you know what to do. Okay? And also continue to make sure that you're doing all the reading as well. All right, let's go into the problem. This is reviewing from the beginning of the year. And again, if this is another year, another day, another time, and coronavirus is long gone, well, this was the time that it was recorded during those times. Here we go, Math Grade 4, Unit 1, 2019-2020 Practice Problems. Mike says, what does Mike say? Notice how it's in quotes. Mike says 7,000 is 100 times as large as 70. So let's go again. What do I know? Okay, this is what Mike says. Now the place value chart. Ones. Let's get used to drawing this out. T stands for tens. H stands for hundreds. TH stands for thousands. Okay. He says that 7,000 is 100. Sorry, I apologize. Let's try it again. 7,000 is 100 times as large as 70. Let's put it in there. There's 1, 2, 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3 zeros. 7. Watch how I do this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay? 100 times as large as 70. Let's put 70 in there. Notice how there's 1 0. So 1 0, 1 0. We've done these problems with number 2 and 3. Notice how there are 2 zeros that are missing. 1, 2 zeros that are missing. Anytime you go over, it's times 10 times 10. 10 times 10 is 100. Okay? So this statement is true. All right? We need to choose two statements that support this claim. And all we are doing is looking at the zeros. Okay? So if it's 10 times bigger, you add 1 0. If it's 100 times bigger, you add 2 zeros. So let's see. 700 is 10 times as big as 70. So you have 1 0, 1, 2 zeros. If 700 is bigger than 70, it's 1 0 bigger. See that? So this would support the claim. Keyword claim in support in statements times. So this is true. 20 times 100 equals 2,000. Well, it has a 2, so we're not even going to mess around with it. 70 is 10 times as big as 70. Wait, 70 is equal to 70. That doesn't make sense. And 700 times 10 is 7,000. Let's see. Do our zeros trick. 1, 2. 1, 2. Let's multiply this out. 700 times 10 is equal to 7,000. Okay, so we just add that 0. We add that 0. Okay, that works too. So for 2, 3, 4, and 5, all we are doing is just doing our zeros trick. If it's 10 times, you add 1 0. If it's 100 times, you add 2 zeros. Okay? So for this one, there are two answers, which are A and D. Remember, this one doesn't make sense because 70 equals 70. There's no 10 times. Okay? Doesn't make sense. All right. That's it. That's about 5 minutes. That's number 4 for Unit 1, numbers 1 through 5, standard form BT1. I will do one more recording today for number 5, and then that's it. Remember, read books, watch CNN Student News, and do Imagine Math. Okay? And you can go back to any of the Unit 2, Unit 3, Unit 4, and Unit 5 videos. There are almost 100 recordings for the school year. You can go back and watch as many of them as possible. Remember, whatever happens this year, 5th grade is fast approaching, and you need to stay focused on your academic goals despite of everything that's happening, and keep moving forward so you'll be ready for 5th grade. Okay? All right. Have a good night. Bye.